My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser pop-ups and pretty scary alerts that come from the site Defenderweb.xyz. Defenderweb.xyz is a malicious and deceptive pop-up that may attack Google, Chrome, and other browsers. It actually tries to force people into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted applications. So if you see these pop-ups on your computer screen, you should never interact with them. Stay away from clicking any download buttons that they have got, because on one hand, such pop-ups are the result of some adware enabled in your computer or in your browser. But also, these pop-ups try to infect your computer even more dramatically. So please be very careful, don't ever interact with them. First thing I would recommend you to do is to carefully research the control panel of your computer. Uninstall any programs which could be suspicious if you find them. Secondly, I recommend that you carefully examine your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is crucial because your system could be additionally burdened by some other hidden malware or adware or some other potentially unwanted programs that could result in the unusual browser behavior. So go to the website combocleaner.com to download Combo Cleaner antivirus. Install the program and start researching and investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.